Hello guys! Cheers!
Cheers! Ufre!
Binil-
Ate, ufre.
Bumili ako ng drinks guys. Sabi ko try namin tong Obi frappe dyan sa Costa. Nakalimutan ko. Kasama pala namin si ate. Dalawa lang in-order ko. Hindi ko na-orderan si ate. Dalawa lang ata nasabi ko. Siguro, ewan ko, I can't remember. Pero dalawa ang nasabi ko. So, si ate sabi niya, where's mine? So yan, nag-order siya ng iba. Try namin to. Masarap siya guys. Ubi frappe. How about yours? Strawberry. Kay ate, strawberry coconut. Very nice. Yan.
I don't like apples.
That's okay. You don't have to like it. So punta kami ngayon guys sa pit shop. Sports Direct, no? We got something to carry. Ayan guys, yung Dora the Explorer kong bag. Puno yan ng libro. Mga books, ang laman yan. Bigat. Puro libro. Buti pa si Ading sana all walang bit-bit. Prinsipe na tamad.
This is so good.
Ang dala ni ate is 6 na kilong damit.
Mom?
1 kilo, 2 kilo pala, sorry. Kasi 6 pound lang, binayad ko sa damit na 2 kilo.
Mommy?
Let's go that way.
Mom, I like it, but it's making me cold.
Cold? You're drinking ice anyway.
Yeah.
Tongang. Making me cold ka dyan, ang init-init. Yung ice naman yung iniinom niya, di, magkukold lang din siya. Buing. So ito mga shop dito guys, oh. Ay, hindi ko maibalik, may ano yung camera natin. So mga shop, nalampasan namin, andun yung Costa kung saan kami galing. May Sports Direct dyan. Ayan, may maraming mga shop dito. Hindi to town guys. Hindi siya town. Other side ng ng bahay namin. Lapit lang po sa amin. My boots. Nice. My boots dito malaki. My Sainsbury kami dyan.
Can we talk for a little bit? Because I still want to try the ubi.
Oh dear, nagustuhan niya ata itong ubi guys. Pag uwi niya ng Pilipinas, maraming ubi. May boots kami dyan. May matalan kami.
Then it's Hobbycraft.
I like my drinks up there.
It's okay, I'll have yours.
Excuse me? No thanks. You'll have yours. Oh, okay na. My Hobbycraft. May pit shop kami doon. Punta kami sa pit shop sandali.
School holidays or anything like that? No,
Punta kami sa pit shop. Papakita namin sa inyo ang pit
Someone
shop.
help me.
Ha?
Too heavy.
Si Ading na may bit-bit. May bit-bit ng 2 kilong damit. Akin ang drinks ko, ate.
Ate, please.
Gustuhan niya yung drinks. Bahala kayo may walking, ah. You'll be carrying that ate all the way home. Maraming mga bata rin dito nagkakatbuhan. Hobbycraft.
Allow.
Mga craft siya, mga gawaing pambata. Crafty. Yes. Alright. It's yummy, right? Ang
I want
sarap
to
eh.
stay outside.
Why?
Because it's so warm.
If you stay outside, what's the point coming here? Just go home na. Dito na kami sa pet shop. Puro mga pang pet. Mga pagkain ng pets. Mga plato ng mga aso or bunny. Ayan. Mga pagkain. Yeah. Black bunnies. Paborito ni ate, black bunny, mga bunny.
Is there any more? Is there any more bunnies?
Let me see sa loob. They're hiding.
They're like guinea pigs.
They're tired. Oh, Ading, nasa taas si Ading sa may fish. Umakyat na siya, hindi man lang nagsabi. Gago tong batang to. Ayan, mga pagkain. We can't video it too long, ate, because there's a music. There's a bunny. Ang cute ng bunny. We can't video it too long because got music. Ito yung mga fish, guys. Oh, liliit. Mga iba-ibang ano ng isda. Oh. Bili kayo dito ng isda. Tapos, lalagay niyo sa sarili niyong aquarium. Ayan, oh.
Let's look at the fish and lizards on the pond.
Lizard. Ito mga iba-ibang klase ng isda. Ang bawat isa is 2 something. Ang isang piraso. Yan ang presyo nila. Ito, ang liliit. Super liliit, oh. What? Ito, ang ganda, oh. Si Nemo. Nemo fish. Dalawa for 12. 2 for 12 pound. Mas mahal to. Dalawa for 22 pound. Coco Cave. Mahal pala. Itong isdam to naman. Dalawa 17. Ito siya. Iba-ibang klase. Iba-ibang klase. Ito, oh. Crickets. Crickets. 3 box. 7 pound. 5 box. 11. Gosh. Naalagaan nila mga ganyan, guys, oh. No? Yan, naalagaan nila. Tapos, asan yung snake, guys? Ayan daw, may ahas daw dyan. Asan ang ahas? Ay, nakita. Ay, corn snake. Andito ang ano niya. Magkano pito?
Oh, here.
Nasaan?
Over here.
Yes, kita.
It's in the coconut.
Is it inside?
Oh, yeah. It's inside the coconut.
Ano? Ay, naagaw na naman yung inuming food ba yan? Okay, come na. Ayan. Okay na tayo dyan sa mga isda. Hindi naman kami bibili, guys. Saka na lang pag may malaki-laki kaming bahay. Bahay namin is maliit lang. Kasi hindi namin kailangan ng mga pets. Saka na pagka may malaking bahay. Ito mga pagkain ng aso. Pagkain ng
Scared
aso.
me what's inside.
Ano yan? Tayo niya. Cow's ear. Oh, 69p. Cow's ear. Tainga ng baka. Pagkain lang ng mga aso nila. Dalawa, 150. Yan ay pag half tainga ng baboy. Ayan, oh. Pig's ear. Ayan, pig's ear. Pagkain lang ng mga ano nila, pets. Pig's ear. Ito naman, cow's ear. Yan, cow ear. Pwedeng pulutan. Kuha na ako ng pulutan natin, guys. Ito ng pagkain ng aso, ng ano, treat ng mga aso.
We found a rat. We found a rat.
Ito ate, oh. Pulutan, cow's ear. May dilis din kami dito, guys, oh, pagkain ng aso. Sa amin to, inuulam na namin to. 'Di ba? Ulam na sa atin to, pulutan na to para aso lang. Ano ba 'yan? Pang aso. Sprats. At alam niyo kung magkano? 17. Anak ng pating. 17 para sa aso. Isang box, isang ano naman, isang maliit na box. Pagkain lang ng aso, sprat, 17 para sa aso.
Mario and Luigi. It's Mario and Luigi.
Mario and Luigi. Nasaan?
Mario and Luigi.
Mario.
They're chilling over here.
Where are they? Can't see. Oh. Can see them?
Yeah, there we go.
I can see Aki's leg.
I can move.
That's okay. Can't see. Can't properly see. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alright guys. Nasaan?
Oh wait, I can see its head.
I don't really like your drinks ate. I don't like matcha.
I see its head.
Can hear the cricket. Okay, come on.
Mum, can we get the rabbit? £60. I'll go with it.
I don't care if you pay me back, Megan. We don't need pets that now. Oh, may tulog na rabbit ko. It's so cute.
Why is the rabbit is big?
Ah, that's hamster. Tulog si Aling hamster. Yan, tulog siya. Nag-chill lang. Uy guys, alas 12 na. Magre-relax pa tayo. May taba tayo mamayang gabi. Bye-bye.
That's not a hamster.
I'm Bunny. Bunny rabbit.
Come over here. There's Mario and Luigi.
Oh
Mario,
yeah.
Mario and
We watched the movie
Luigi.
yesterday. So come on, let's go na. Walking home na tayo.
Guys, rabbits can look all 360 degrees.
Wow. Vision. Yeah, that's well done. But we can't, isn't it?
They can only look 180 degrees.
Okay, let's go na guys. Uwi na tayo. Shall we?
Can we go to the park?
To where?
The park.
No, we're not.
back to the Philippines. Can I get a rabbit?
You killed the rat. I mean, you killed.
I did not kill a rabbit.
Nung umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, may binigay yung kaibigan naming rabbit. Kasi gustong-gusto nga nito ng rabbit.
Snowball.
Tignan mo yung mga katabi niya sa bed, puro rabbit. So umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, may nagbigay sa amin ng rabbit, si Snowball. Tapos hindi naman namin pwedeng dalhin dito, syempre. Pagbalik namin dito, nakawala sa kulungan. Kawawa siya, pinatay nung mga alaga ng mother kong aso. Yung mga aso namin, hinabol nila yung rabbit. So namatay siya. Pinadala nila kay ate yung video. Iyak tong si ate. Video ng namatay na si Snowball. Hinukay naman nila. Hinukay nila sa ano. Binigyan naman nila magandang pagkalibing. Pero ang iyak nitong babae guys, kasi syempre Bunny is pet niya yun. Ano niya yun? Kung madatnan pa sana namin ngayon, hindi maganda sana. Kaso nga lang, nakawala kasi sa ano, hindi na ilak. Pinakain ng mother ko yung rabbit. Hindi niya na ilak maayos kasi may bahay siya. Hindi niya na ilak. Nakawala. So, hinabol ng aso. Nakita ng mga aso, syempre, hinabol nila. Kawawa. Dito kami sa Sainsbury, guys. Tignan ko kung makakabili ako ng cabbage. Can you carry? If I'm gonna buy cabbage, aangal na to sa bigat. Maglalakad kami. So, I don't think nabibilhan ko. Now, I need to buy shorts for adding. It's called PE shorts. Sa Sainsbury.
Can you go back to the Philippines? Can I get a mum rabbit and a baby rabbit?
I don't know if someone gonna give you a rabbit because you're not looking after it properly. I know you did. I'm just joking, but I don't know if there's more. I don't know if we can see more rabbit. I'm not sure. I just want to see PE short. PE short for you, Adin. PE short for Adin kasi nalakihan na niya yung PE short niya. Wala na siyang pang PE short. Look for PE short, Baba. The school uniform. I don't think. Oh, must be here. Oh, PE. Nothing.
Tights.
Oh, here. Short. Aha. 6 years old. Here. This one is PE short. This is short. This is PE short. Ading. PE short. 5 piso. Ilang taon ka na, Ading?
Huh?
Ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na?
I need easy.
9. Kunin natin tong 9. Go. Balik ka dito ah. Ading. Actually, dalhin mo to. Itapon mo na dun. Itapon mo. Ito pa, isa pa. Huy. Salamat. Love you. Huy. Love you.
I love you, Mama.
Hindi nga. Hawakan mo to, ate. Buksan ko lang to. Tignan ko yung size. Ading size, perfect.
Sainsbury's. Good food for all of us. 18 plus requires an edition. Supplementary or stocks last.
I'm gonna look for my letter. There's no letter.
Ano, ate?
What?
Ano?
Nothing.
Volume 6. Ano lang? Okay, let's go. Adding short. Mabigat na. If I'm gonna get cabbage, you might not be able to carry it. Meron sa kulit si Dokura.
Oh. No, I love the clearance things.
You know that Filipino mom always go for the clearance.
Yeah, the clearances always don't have any of my sizes.
And then,
Oh, that's nice.
so my size ka. I don't think this is in clearance.
Why?
Oh, it's so nice.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi yan clearance.
No. Mum, come. I found a double set. A double set.
Terno. That's what called terno.
Can you hold it? I'm holding the bag and it's kind of like wibbly wobbly. Oof.
Heavy?
A bit.
Heavy? Oh dear. Ayan kasi. Alin? May nakita ka na naman. Wow. You're right. 50% off. So that, but it's summer na ba? Why are you buying clothes like that? How about this? Oh?
For you?
No.
Like for boys.
No, it's ladies. Right now, for you if you want.
For some reason I'm obsessed with jumpers.
Nah.
One time, just gonna see the back. Oof, that's nice.
It's for adult, darling.
No, I'll sing it to you.
Andyan na si Ading. Nakaihi na siya.
Mum, can you get this?
What do you mean get that?
Yeah.
No, thanks. Ba't ako pa susuot? Bakit?
Because I couldn't find the bin and I was desperate.
Aww. Aww. Did you manage to find it?
Yes.
Good job.
I was just near the entrance.
Well done, Baba. I bought your shirt, oh. For your PE shirt.
Why is it crumpled?
Because I opened it. and to see if it gonna be fit. It gonna fit you.
Nearly 70% off.
No, I don't want it. Let's go. That's enough now.
Mum, can I have the camera and you hold the...
No. It's so heavy, darling. I got bag.
Yeah, I'll hold the bag.
I know.
Oh, just look at this. I had to.
What do you want to show about that? Pag may nahanap ka, if you see any toucan, that will be lucky. But I doubt you can see. You can find.
Off. Point.
Oo.
0.6.
Palit daw kami ng ano guys, karga. Patay tayo dyan. Wala ka mga...
I'm so fine. Oh, the round.
Very nice.
Can we still go around and see?
See what, Baba?
The wall.
I don't know, go just see what we can see, yeah?
The sailor watches 360.
We got to guys, we got to hurry and go home because I need to. We haven't eat lunch yet. This way na ate. We're just going round and round.
What time is it?
I think 12:30. Quarter past 12. Yeah. Parang gusto kong bumili ng cabbage. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get cabbage while we're here. Oh, actually, no, because Dada's off. Okay guys, update namin kayo mamaya. Saan?
Walk through this way.
See you na lang ulit.
Bin.
What for? Why do you want the bin? We already got a bin. We don't need more bin. Okay guys, bye-bye na muna.
Bye-bye for now. We're just gonna go here and be right
Let me
back.
see if we can see a cabbage. We'll be right back mamaya. See you guys. Baka bibili ako ng cabbage guys kasi kailangan ko ng cabbage. Okay. Oh, malamig dito.
I wish I was outside.
Isang not those. I want those.
And that's lettuce.
That's cabbage.
Greens.
But, this one.
Cabbage.
Get two.
This is cabbage.
Hawakan mo.
Cabbage.
And more cabbage. Get two. Ako naman na magdadala nitong bag. Pwede ko ilagay sa taas. Okay. Kamatis. Kailangan ko pa ng kamatis.
So you should put only here for,
Adding short.
no, for cabbage and adding short.
Palagi carrots na o kamatis na lang. I made salad with the kamatis. Naggayat ako ng salad natin guys. Walang kamatis kasi wala kaming kamatis. Cabbage, yes, I do love cabbage. So bibili ako ng kamatis. Can you get cherry tomato, Baba, for my salad? And I'm gonna get this cabbage for cooking. I know. Get two. Darling, get two. Can you see if it's okay? They're not, hindi pa old. No. Okay. What? Ano yan?
Oh, it's like 41.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na muna, guys.
Bye-bye for now.
Babayad na kami.
We're finished now. Go this way. It's a bit heavy. Oh yeah. Is there any shops that we can walk past and get some? No.
I'm going to get some.
Now? Okay.
Not there.
From where?
In the shop.